Alright, my friends, so got a Turtle Beach Ear Force 7 X07 headset here for the Xbox One, and so for about a year, but the leather here around the ear starts breaking down a little bit, or the fake leather or whatever. So got a new pack from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below to that, but we're going to change these ear pads out real quick, and these just kind of pull that off just like that. So we're going to take those off. Okay. And I don't know if these are right or left, but let's go ahead and open this up here. Alright, so it says, thank you so much for your order. If any questions, feel free to contact us to get 50% off code or get one free headset cable. Oh, that's kind of cool. Anyways, I'm not sure if these are right or left, or probably somewhat, they look identical. I'm guessing either way go on there. So okay, what you want to do is slide this up under there. Try to get come on. Okay. Kind of get one edge on there. And work our way around here if we can. My goodness. Alright, a little bit more to go. And we are golden. There is that. And one more to go here. So with that, my goodness, this is a little bit more challenging than I thought it was going to be. Kind of go around the edge here. That's all right. I don't think I need to take the mic out. Okay. Just kind of working it from the inside with my finger, looping it around, lifting it over the edge. All right. So probably just set a world record for the slowest at putting the earphones on, or headphone covers. And I want to get these kind of straightened out there, I think. On there. Okay. Good as new. Should last for another few years. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.